Imagine a world where everyone has a chance for independence, a chance to realize their dreams, a chance for a full and rewarding life. Creating this world is a mission of Javni, a Faroese organization supporting the intellectually disabled and their families. The organization works diligently to bring equal rights among the intellectually disabled community in Faroe Islands. The work involved in creating a comfortable and stimulating environment for intellectually disabled people of all ages is very diverse. Public education events, lobbying politicians to promote change in the legal system, and providing guidance to the intellectually disabled. Their families and other organizations keep Javni active on several fronts. It's important for everyone to have an equal opportunity in life. Having control of your own future is important, whether it's the desire for education, a good job, maintaining good health, or finding love and starting a family in your own house. Javni's efforts are based out of their office located in Tórshavn, where 2 employees keep the wheel of the progress turning. Individuals blessed with healthy children are encouraged to show support for those who may struggle with life's challenges. Javni, because everyone deserves an equal opportunity.